I'm Craig, I'm Managing Director for Rawson IT services. We started the business back in February 2019. It was a bit of a joint venture between myself and Rawson. At the time it was just Rawson Digital. We've took on IT and now EV power has been thrown into the mix as well. So both apprentices joined Rawson Group. We've got Sam, who currently works for the group, so he services all the businesses for Rawson. He does the marketing for those for the three companies, and we've also got Zach. Now Zach initially joined Rawson Group and had the choice and the flexibility to work between the companies and see what was the best fit for him. He inevitably decided IT was the best fit for him and continues to work with us to this day. As a new business at the time, we needed somebody who would mould into the business. We didn't have many members of staff, and everybody was doing a bit of everything. So at the time, to have an apprentice join us who was a bit of a blank canvas, it was great that they could experience a bit of everything the business does. And also at that time, as a new business, it helped us financially to be able to take on an apprentice, because the benefits were there to facilitate Zach joining us at the time. And thanks to the apprenticeship scheme, we've now got a full-time member of staff who has experienced all four corners of the business and fits in well and is doing a great job with us. On a day-to-day basis, there's hardly any more work needed from me in order to have an apprentice working with us. You get the very occasional bit of form filling to do that. Generally comes via the apprentice, and that's just a case of having an open door policy really in your office. It's no different than a member of staff coming to you with a HR issue. It really is minimal. The time investment needed is next to nothing. The big benefit that we've had from the apprenticeship program is that these guys are young and they're willing to learn, so they will turn their hand to anything, which has proven to be a huge benefit for us. There's not much that they won't go away and learn themselves, because they seem very eager, and that in the position we've been in has been, as we mentioned before, fairly new. Has been a huge benefit for us.